We'll guide you through how to use the Netlify free plan effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Netlify website and click on the Sign Up button if you don't already have an account. You can sign up using your email or connect through a Git provider like GitHub or GitLab. Once your account is set up, you'll land on the Netlify dashboard. Click on New Site from Git to start deploying a project. Here, you'll need to authorize Netlify to access your Git repositories. Choose the repository you want to deploy. Now, select the branch you intend to deploy, usually the main or master branch. In the build settings, you can specify the build command and the publish directory. For most static sites, the default settings work fine, but adjust them if your project requires specific build steps. Click Deploy Site and Netlify will start building your project. While it builds, you can see the deployment progress in real time. Once it's done, your site will be live on a temporary Netlify subdomain, which you can customize later. To enable more features like custom domains and HTTPS, go to the Domain Settings section where you can add your own domain. If you need more advanced configurations, explore the Site Settings where you can manage environment variables, deploy previews, and more. The free plan offers generous bandwidth and build minutes, making it a great choice for small to medium projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.